Hello everyone. So in today's tutorial I will be sharing with you how to make gold effect in Canva or make any image to gold in Canva. So for this effect or tutorial we will be using this image right here, as you can see, and we will try to make the gold effect in this image. So first we have to come to pixlr.com to remove the background. So we will scroll down and click on remove VG and open the image. We'll keep on full HD so that none of our image resolution gets hampered. And as you can see, our image has gotten rid of the background. So we will just download it, and now we will come to canva.com where we will make this gold effect. For this effect I am choosing this Instagram post frame, and we will just a bit zoom it so that I can show you more properly. So after that we will come to uploads and we will upload our remove background image, which is this one. And we'll click it to bring it here in the canvas frame, and we'll click to set image as background. Now it is going beyond the frame, so we'll resize it. And make it a bit bigger so that the effect looks clear in the image. And now it's time to make the gold effect. So we'll click on the image, go to effects right here and come to color mix here. If you don't have this color mix button here, you will find it here in this you may also like button, and we will have to click it. Like if I am getting here this bad TV effect, if I get on connect, it will get me show in this panel here. So we'll go to this color mix, first option rainbow effect, and we'll just click it to adjust it and go and select amount to 0.8 and offset to 2 and click on apply. Now it will take some time to get applied. And now it is applied here, we will download it. And as you can see, this image is properly blended with this rainbow effect. And we will now come again to this canvas. We will just delete it. You can delete it by directly clicking backspace, and we will click on upload and upload this rainbow affected image. And bring it to canvas by just clicking it and right click and set image as background. Now our task is to change it to gold. So we'll go to effects here and just scroll down to find duotone here, click on see all and come to click on mastered and click on apply. It will take some time to get applied. After the application is done, to make it look like a gold statue effect, we'll go to photogenic here, click on see all and this Capri, you see it in warm and select Capri. And as you can see, the gold effect is done here. If you want to increase or decrease the intensity, you can always do it from here, but this intensity, highest intensity, looks good for this image, and you click on apply so that our application is done. We will click on download and we can download it right here. So as you can see, our gold effect is done fully in Canva. Just you have to remove the background from the pixlr.com. If you have a pro account, you can do it directly from the account itself. Hope you like this video, and stay tuned for the next tutorial and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you.